Hello. My name is Pat, and I'm here to tell you how a young driver can get really cheap auto insurance. Age is a factor that could cost you dearly in car insurance, but you can also get really cheap auto insurance rates because of it if you know what you're doing. For those who fall into the under 25 age bracket, there are ways to still let this work for you and not against you. You can also focus on just lowering your risk factor if the other options don't really appeal to you. Getting married will help you get really cheap auto insurance rates with a good number of insurance companies if you're under 25. This is not a practical joke. It works. Being under 25, male and single will attract a far higher premium than otherwise. It is a well-known fact that those three factors easily suggest a tendency to recklessness, statistically. Still along these lines, few things have as much sobering effect on young people as marriage. Your driving is affected positively by the thought of having people who depend solely on you. You can't afford to let them down. Your car insurance rates are therefore lowered considerably in spite of your age once you are married for this reason. As an under 25, you can enjoy really cheap auto insurance premiums if you use your parents' policy. That is, if your parents don't belong to a high-risk age group like seniors. You have to bear in mind, though, that the car must be registered in their name and you must be living with them if you want to take advantage of this option. If you want to own your car, then be the big boy or girl and also own the higher premiums. Sorry, you can't have both with this option. However, you can still make huge savings by visiting my site. It is certainly not possible, in just one short article, to exhaust the many ways you can get really cheap auto insurance. You can get many more tips by visiting my site. Learning all the ways possible for you to make huge savings in your car insurance is certainly worth it. Of all the many tips though, getting as many quotes as possible and comparing them for the best rates still remains the quickest way of getting really cheap auto insurance. Do note that the savings possible could be up to $1,000 or even much more. The task of searching and picking reputable sites for these quotes could be tasking and time-intensive for you. Therefore, for your convenience, I've researched the best sites and placed their quote boxes on my site. Just use them and you'll soon be enjoying really cheap auto insurance.